Linking your bank account to Cash App is a straightforward process that allows you to send and receive money easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the main dashboard. Step 2. Go to the Banking tab. Tap on the banking icon, which looks like a bank or house symbol, located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Link Bank. In the banking section, look for the option that says Link Bank or Add Bank Account. Tap on it to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 5. Confirm and complete. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on Confirm or Link Account to finalize the linking process. You may receive a notification once your bank account is successfully linked. Now you can easily transfer funds between your Cash App and your linked bank account. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances.